So you get to your campground at night, and it's very difficult for anybody to set up a campground. Start with the actual canopy first. That's the most important thing that people do. They hang lamps and all that stuff. So we're gonna go get ahead and open it up and see how it looks and see how wide it works. All right, so let's go ahead and put it together. Just one of us. I'm gonna try to do it by myself. See how easy it is. So when you get it off the box, it's complete already. You don't have to do anything. Unbuckle it, the whole system. To open the zipper, everything's included. Actual canopy floor, the top, the sides, everything pretty much. So this is out of the box right now, completely out of the box. It has all the Velcro, so you could connect all the actual system. The whole canopy goes connected to this, and then you open it up. So let's take it out of the package, open it up just a little bit so it could get some balance. They give you the actual stakes too. They're included in the little bag here, which is great, you know, for a windy day like today. Instructions, throw instructions in here included. The bag, everything has to fit back in together. So let's go ahead and put this together and see how well it works. Complete the setup. If you notice, I did it all by myself, so it's not that difficult. I like this, the reinforcement of the actual structure. They put extra lining here so it could keep it super tight, because these are the weakest points in a tent. If you guys notice, all the joints are the weakest points. There is a ventilation on the top. All right, every single corner, this is my favorite thing, comes with a tie down, so you can automatically just put your stakes down and set up. Easy to take apart by pushing the button. Every single one, like I said, has the extra lining, extra lining, extra lining. And look how simple it is, right? I didn't do this one. This is that one hand only, right? Simple. Every single one. And like I said, every corner has the sole setup already. If you guys notice, this is a whole canopy, as you can see from this angle here. Look at the top structure. It has a vent so it won't take it from the wind. And we're having really windy day today. It's actually going to rain in a bit. We're just putting it up temporary so you guys can see the actual structure. And it's windy out here, and it's taking all the air perfectly. Now, she's about close to 6 foot tall, and look, plenty of room. Awesome little canopy. Taken apart, the bag, everything's a bag. It comes with extra bags too to set up all your stuff together. Like the structure itself. Awesome canopy. Hope you guys enjoy the video.